Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against iSikhukhune United. Njengoba bayodlala nje against iSikhukhune United kuzobe kuyigame ebalekile le for Orlando Pirates because bayodinga u3 points khona bezokhipha istandard sokuba unumber 1 kwiBetway Premiership khona bezokwazi ukuthi bashise baphinde futhi bathwalise kanzima iMamelodi Sundowns. So nayilana prediction mina engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba wena ungangitshela eyakho ilineup uthi thini ungayigxeke yami but ke ungitshele eyakho nami ngizoyibuka mase ngiyirate ngokwami ungitshele nje ukuthi eyakho ukuthi why bakhetha abadlali nami ngizobachaza ukuthi why ngibakhetha labadlali lapho ngizobakhetha namhlanje. So nayike lineup yami ungayigxeki yabo ungitshele eyakho ngiyaphinda futhi ungayigxeki ungitshele eyakho. First and foremost ngizoqala nje ngo goalkeeper Sipho Chain for me, he will be the goalkeeper for Orlando Pirates. I know everyone uyazi ukuthi uyena umjida ozobe goalkeeper. It's a pity akatholanga ama minutes ngosikhathi sidlala kwiAFCON. Mina ngokwami bengizomnikeza ama minutes umjida akwazi adlale yabo kuma games kwiAFCON but ke Hugo Bros saw something else yabo. But ke for me lo mjida lo he is my South Africa's number 1. But ke wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ungaqalisa bala lapha kwi-goalkeeping position ye-Orlando Pirates kule game esoyidlala against iSikhukhune United. I need Sipho Chain to be more hands-on. I need him to speak with his defenders because we are going to play our first league game without Umbekezeli Mpokazi. Umbekezeli Mpokazi bafethu remember kusayinwe iChicago umjida ke njobe engekho nje sizodlalisa abadlali bakhona abadlali abangotsha bathande bakhona abadlali abanjengonda bakhona abadlali abanjengosiyema osibisi bazobe bekhona but ke goalkeeper kumele akwazi ukukhuluma nama defenders akhe because they are aerial threats azobe khona njengoba siyodlala neSikhukhune United. There is a player abambiza ngoGrobler okhudi kakhulu ekhanda yabo ungasinikeza inkinga. So labajida kumele bakwazi ukuthi ba communicate ka masukuthi idefense yami yabo the two center backs engawaqalisa mina left center back I will start Olisanda masukuthi ki right center back ngiqalise bani ngiqalise uLehlolo loSiyema. The reason why ngiqalise Olisanda noSiyema, I know a lot of people would start uChabatana but ke uChabatana usafika maybe ucoach ucoach usengamqalisa yabo because I know coach usebenze kakhulu with uChabatane on the previous team ade bekuyona iMorobo Gallants. So usengamqalisa but for me I think I will start Unda with uSiyema. I know uChabatana unayo na height encane but ke when you look at these two giants okubani okuSiyema with Olisanda bane height abajida bazokwazi ukuthi ba minimize ama threats azolethwa iSikhukhune because iSikhukhune they have a lot of players amad yabo those huge players they can pose a threat with defense Orlando Pirates ba head amagoli angene nethini. So abajida banje Gonda benosiyeba bangakwazi ukuthi basisize aerially kwizinto ezikanjalo. Abajida bawu2 bayakwazi ukudefenda ba comfortable on the ball but both of them they are ball playing defenders. So you need them defenders akanjalo when you have a goalkeeper like Sipho Chain who is very comfortable enyaweni yabo. So mina ngaqalisa labajida bawu2 but when wangitshela ngokwakho which center back pairing you would like to see, which center back pairing you will start for Orlando Pirates ahead of le game esoyidlala against iSikhukhune United. Mase siza kuma wing backs angithandi ukushintsha kakhulu unyangazi bafethu. Left wing back bafethu ngaqalisa bani ngaqalisa uDion Hotto mase kuthi ke ka right wing back ngiqalise bani ngiqalise uLebitso yabo. I would love bengizothanda ukuthi mhlambe lapha ka right center back ngiqalise bani ngiqalise Sesane mase ukuthi lapha ka right wing back ngiqalise uSiyema. Nanga lapho bese ngasebenza bafethu le concept le ukuthi sibe nawo ama defenders amaningi akwazi ukusadlalela but ke in terms of le game lesoyidlala siyawudinga u3 points. Njengoba siwudinga nje u3 points samdinga uLebitso umjidi ozokwazi usashoshele ayiphambili ayo-eda ama crosses lapha at the top. Nangala ka left wing back bengamqalisa uNdaba but ke uNdaba for me umjida I feel like akayi kakhulu phambili yabo akayi kakhulu phambili compared to bani uDion Hotto. uDion Hotto uyakwazi uya phambili kakhulu asinikeza ama crosses lapha. So nje mina ngokwami abajida lapha emuva ba right bekanje yabo uDion Hotto uzokwazi asinikeze leyo nto esiyidingayo phambili. uNdaba mhlawumbe ungamngenisa second half sesizo defender but ke iback four yami nje anibona bafethu Olisanda, Siyema, Lebitso and Dion Hotto. I saw wish umjida akawashaya ama flop kule game lesiyawudinga ngempela u3 points. Njengoba siwudinga nje u3 points we need a 10 out of 10 performance from him. Le team lesiyashava before so ngiyazi wasiyodlala nabo bazoyibe defensive bazodlala with 5 at the back. So abajida labo bo2 kumele bakwazi ukukhuphula bawu-add ama-numbers phambili sikwazi ukuthi siyiwine le game. Mase kuthi unumber 6 lapha. Unumber 6 lapha emuva bafethu ngaqalisa bani? Ngingaqalisa uMakhehleni Makhawula. I know ukuthi umjida usalimele ukuba neUsihlenduli, so it's highly unlikely to see a player like uSihlenduli playing igame yakusasa. So uMakhehleni Makhawula will be the available pick to play against Sekhukhune United. I need this player to have a 10 out of 10 performance. Umjida, ever since he came back, he hasn't been playing like the Makhehleni Makhawula we used to see last season. But again, this time around I want to see uMakhehleni Makhawula ohlukile kunalo Makhehleni Makhawula besisathanda kumbona nje lama games adlule. Orlando Pirates ebeqeda kwadlala nje, sambona ngosikhathi edlala against Richards Bay, sambona ngosikhathi edlala futhi against le club le eCarling Cup. Yabo, he wasn't that Makhehleni Makhawula besimjwayele, but again I hope to see a different Makhehleni Makhawula kule game yakusasa. Umjida uselithole kakhulu ithuba lokuthi adlale, usebuyile umjida, yabo usefit manje. So akathi nje ukukhipha kancane leyo rust leyo, i-rust manje ayiphumi manje, ziyakhala ke manje. This is the last opportunity, yabo. Sesiza manje emaphethelweni okuphela kweleague, so manje kumele abadlali bethu bonke bashise, bonke babe kwi-10 out of 10 game. Mase uthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe, yabo. Umuntu atshela abafethu ususpended, ngiyazabe available kule game le esoyidlala against Sekhukhune, so it's for the best ukuthi siqalise bani, siqalise uTalente Mbatha as number 8, mase kuthi ke laphana as number 10 singaqalisa bani, singaqalisa uSipho Mbuli. Many people might question me picking uSipho Mbuli over Mfokeng or over uTito Maswanganye, but yeah, there is a reason why I picked uSipho Mbuli. Sipho Mbuli ustrong umjida, uyayazi lesimo siyodlala nayo okuyiSekhukhune United. He used to play for iSekhukhune United last season umjida, yabo. Njoba nje bedlalela iSekhukhune United uyabaza abadlali bakhona ukuthi badlala kanjani, uyawazi ama ins and outs of their midfield lesiyodlala nayo. So I trust umjida to perform and to give us something very very good against iSekhukhune United. Uzodlala with uTalente Mbatha. The first game we played against iSekhukhune United wayengekho uTalente Mbatha, wakhona uNemdajela, kube khona uSihlenduli, mase kuba khona bani uSipho Mbuli if I'm not mistaken, yabo. You will remember that game, sayiluza leyo game, hayi kamnandi, yabo. So kule fixture ke le kumele sishintshe izinto, sikwazi sibalansise lapha esiswini, sibe strong ngobane ngombatha ku box to box, okwazi uya phambili ashaya inqako aphinda abuye futhi abe defensive. So yoko into oyidingayo against isisu esinjengesisu seSekhukhune United esinabadlali abaqinile abakwazi ukumaka, yabo. So this is my midfield mina ngokwami. Wena wangitshela yakhe midfield izoba injani. Kunzima ngempela bafethu ukusetha ischeme for Orlando Pirates. Angazi ngempela ucoach la ekhona une stress esingakanani, because yabona nje ukusetha kwami le scheme lesibe ngungekho lula, yabo. So far nje ngiyayibona ngempela ipressure iningi kakhulu. Kumele ukhetha abadlali abanye kumele bahlale ebenchini. There are many talented players la ubuse ngabafaka, because isquad Orlando Pirates sine depth eningi. Nawe ke ungangitshela ukuthi wena ngokwakho ubungafaka bapha abadlali. Mase siza kuma wingers, ka right winger bengaqalisa uSuna Police, because sayidinga 3 points, kumele siqinise. Mase ukuthi ka left wing ngiqalise bani lomjida lo Morim, yabo. Ubona ke ama wingers ami mina bengawaqalisa ahead of le game lesiyidlala against iSekhukhune United. Labajeda bawu2 bayazi bafethi memo. I don't think kumele ubatshele kakhulu ukuthi kumele benzini. Sokuthi ke u-false 9 wethu mina bengamqalisa bani, bayamqalisa uDion as u-false 9 njoba siyodlala nje against inina iSekhukhune United. I'm sure abantu bebezobuza ukuthi why Van umqalisa as a false 9. Remember iSekhukhune siyodlala nga5 at the back. Njoba siyodlala nga5 at the back, we don't need a striker esohlala phambili kakhulu singakwazi ukuthi sibulale i-defense. Njoba false 9 nje asisona striker, njoba engasona striker uzokwazi ukuthi adidise ama defenders lapha. Njoba ezodidisa ama defenders, uyi-creative player ezo-creator for these 5 players, for these 4 players actually, okuMbatha, okubani uSipho Mbuli, okubani okuOsuna Police, masikuba uMorem. Uzo-creator lapha ama-chances, nabo bazomcreatela ama-chances, because uyakwazi ukukhahlela. Mina bengamqalisa uDion kule game as a false 9, akwazi ukuthi adlale, yabo, create ama-chances for the team, same as uMakgopa bengisengamqalisa. But ke I want to see uDion, ngimfake nje epanini, ngibone usahlahle usiphathele nomjida. Ngiyamthemba ukuthi uzosinikeza something. But ke wena wangitshela ngescheme sakho, so they out of by some scheme uvane lo bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu for isupport eninginikeza yona uvane lo